What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Lens Loop, your go-to spot for the latest in action gear and cinematic tech. Today, we're diving into some exciting new leaks surrounding the GoPro Max 2. And let me tell you, this thing is shaping up to be a serious game changer. Shout out to Igor Bogdanov for Scoop, because these new images reveal a lot. So let's not waste time. Here's everything we know so far, and why the Max 2 might just become your next must-have action camera. First up, the durability. In one of the leaked images, the Max 2 is taking a direct blast of high-pressure water, possibly from a truck hose, and it's standing strong. Not just a splash, we're talking full force. It's pretty clear. GoPro wants us to know this camera is built to handle serious weather. No extra housing needed. Judging by the visuals, we're likely looking at waterproofing of 10 meters or more, and that's just the beginning. Now take a look at the grip. It's not your average selfie stick. This one has a chunky, ergonomic build. Maybe we're seeing an upgraded invisible stick, or something even better, like a hybrid grip with a built-in battery or a rugged tripod handle combo. One thing for sure, it's made for adventure. Then there's a second image, and it's wild. The entire background is a swirling blur, like a vortex. That kind of motion effect usually means a camera or the mount is spinning fast. This could be a tease for enhanced stabilization, or possibly a sneak peek at high frame rate 360 degrees capture. Either way, it's giving speed, motion, and total chaos, all in a good way. Next up, the third image. Someone's navigating a high ropes course, fully strapped in with a helmet, harness, the works. They're wearing a GoPro on the helmet and holding the Max 2 in their hand. That says a lot. GoPro doesn't want this to replace your main cam. They want to add to your creative toolkit. Think immersive behind-the-scenes footage, wide environment shots, or bonus perspectives. And yep, that same textured grip pops up again. So it's likely part of a new official accessory set. But let's talk about the real upgrades here. The original Max? Let's be honest. Its recent refresh didn't blow anyone away. It felt more like a minor update, a leap forward. But the Max 2? Different story. The most noticeable change, centered lenses. That's a huge upgrade for 360 video. It'll sharpen stitching, smooth out transitions, and make those invisible selfie sticks truly invisible. And resolution? The first Max maxed out at 5.6K. By today's standards, that's behind the curve. But the Max 2 is expected to hit 8K, possibly even at higher frame rates. Imagine buttery smooth 8K 360 footage on the go. That's huge. One more major shift, replaceable lenses. This isn't just a rumor. GoPro has hinted at it themselves. That's a big deal. No more panic over scratches or lens damage. Just swap in a fresh one and keep rolling. Simple and smart. Also, if you look closely at the new design, you'll spot air vents and a more open structure. That could mean better heat management. Something users have been wanting for a while, with competitors like DJI offering long record times without overheating. GoPro seems ready to step up. So here's the bottom line. These leaks might be unofficial, but they paint a pretty clear picture. GoPro is going all in on innovation with the Max 2, from durability and design to massive upgrades in video capture and usability. It looks like this camera is built for creators who want way more than just a standard shot. Let me know in the comments, are you hyped for the Max 2 or still waiting to be convinced? Make sure to hit like, subscribe to Lens Loop, and ring that bell so you don't miss the next breakdown. Until next time, stay sharp, shoot steady, and keep creating. Peace.